Hello folks, this is Mary. I would like to show you a Magnitude. This is a Thor product. It's a 2022, brand new. It's an F600, so you are not going to have any problems going up a hill. Mountain hills, dirt roads, wherever you want to take this thing. So it's got a lot of power. It is a four-wheel drive. Let's look on at some of the features around here. You have a lot of storage right here. You have entertainment, and you have a little kitchen area. So I'll let you come over here and look at that. You've got more storage in the back, but it's just beautiful. You could put a lot of gear in this unit. So let's look inside. Right, so as you look up here, you can see there's a really big space for kids to sleep. This pulls out, so you can fit 2 kids up here, and then you can pull down the shade. So if you don't want to look at the stars, you can just dark it out. Really nice cab area, leather seats, and plus, look how comfortable this looks. This is amazing. So you do have a really nice living space here. Plenty of room for 4 people. You do have seat belts over here too. It's beautiful. Like, just the details in this unit are just lovely. So let's take a look at the kitchen. This is wonderful. So you've got a lot of counter space, cabinets up above, drawers, which are very helpful, your cooktop and microwave. So you've got everything that you need for cooking great meals in this unit. Take a look right here. You've got some drawers that would pull out to have extra storage. You can never have too much storage, so beautiful. Plus the bathroom is adorable, really cute. I love the colors in this unit. You've got everything that you need in there. Plus this pocket door is going to save some space in the hallway here, so it just like slides across really easy. Really big refrigerator, so that's great when you've got hungry kids. And then this is the master. This bed does come down into the flat position, but you can put it up like that. And then lots of storage right here. So this a ton of storage for the wardrobe area. So if you would like to come view this unit, please give me a call. My name is Mary, 406-850-4590. And if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe. We'll see you next time.